Hello, my name is Jane Ricciardi, and I'm really excited about teaching your children AP Biology this year. I want to start off by telling you a little bit about myself. I have been teaching biology for 13 years, 7 of which are at Princeton High School. I've taught a wide variety of learners from freshman biology students all the way up to college students. I have a degree in entomology from Cornell University, so that's insect science, and I also have a master's of arts in teaching from Cornell as well. And while I was at Cornell, I was a teaching assistant for an introductory biology course there. So I am well aware of what a research institution expects of students enrolled in an introductory biology class. So as a result, I'm going to have high expectations for your kids, but I'm going to provide them lots of support and resources to help them along their way, and I know that they're going to succeed. In this video, I'm going to help walk you through some of those resources and help you understand the biology curriculum. The AP Biology curriculum that we will be following is the one outlined by the College Board. It has 8 units of study that range from biochemistry through cells and DNA to evolution and ecology. Now, this is a college level class, and we will be completing college level work that will require critical thinking and application skills from your child. We do have a large quantity of content to cover before the AP exam in May, but I know we can do it. It will require your student to put in extensive work outside of class, and I will provide lots of resources to help them along the way. In order to maximize learning, it is very important that students are present during class time, so please do not schedule doctor's appointments during class periods. As we work through those 8 units of study, we will be focusing on 4 big ideas. They include evolution, energy, information transfer, and systems interactions. In addition to these themes, your students will also be understanding and gaining science practices. Lab work is a really essential part of the AP Biology course. And our goal is to help students develop 7 different science practices, including things such as mathematical applications, graphing, designing experiments, as well as analyzing data. Now, this year, many of our labs will be virtual. Some labs may be film demonstrations where students collect and analyze data. Students also will complete online simulations, and students may also have the opportunity to model processes. And many of the materials that we will be using to model these processes will be sent home in science kits, and we are working on putting those together for your children. Now I will give you a tour of the Canvas site to help you understand where these resources are available. This is our Canvas site for AP Biology, and I'm very excited about the possibilities that this web platform offers us. I want to give you guys a tour so you can help you understand where things are located. So this is our main course page. On the right is a list of the to-do assignments. So these are different assignments that are due and when they are due. So it's a way to help your child organize, almost like an agenda. Also on this front page, there's some information about the course, and there are some quick links. So all of these are buttons that will take you to different parts of the website. And at the bottom is my schedule. You can see when I'm available to meet with you, for example, in a one-on-one Zoom. I also have my office hours listed in purple, and students can come to those office hours if they have questions or concerns about the content or assignments. Now, the Zoom button here is how students can access their Zoom links for class, and class will occur at their designated time. This also will take them to the office hours when those are scheduled. The main thing we need to pay attention to is learning modules. So in addition to these quick link axes out down here, their modules are also listed on the side. So let's click on them and take a look. So the course is divided up into modules, which are kind of like groups of pages about similar topics. So our first module is important course documents. It includes things such as the overview of the class, my weekly lesson plans, additional information about AP exam resources, Zoom information, and then additional things that students might need to help them in the course, such as course links for study tools, tech help, and information about the Idea Center for tutoring. Now, each unit is divided up into a series of assignments. Let's actually go to Unit 1, which is our first content-based unit on biochemistry. Now, students will basically progress through this unit. Let's click on the first page to help you understand. So this is the breakdown, like I showed you earlier, of what will be covered in this first unit. Now, I know students haven't received their books yet. When we have science kits available, we are planning on passing out hard copy textbooks to students who are interested. In the meantime, we have scanned the first unit of the book to help students have that resource, and we will make that available for students if they do not want a hard copy either. Throughout the unit, they will have a variety of different assignments, such as a study guide that they will be completing, as well as videos to help teach students the content. So we will have a kind of a flipped classroom model where students will be watching videos and taking notes or doing review assignments. And then when we are in class, we'll be focusing our attention on doing kind of review practice together or laboratory work or simulations and things like that. So we're going to use our classroom to really make sure that they understood the background work that they did, so they understand their videos, and then they're able to apply those videos, and so the information in those videos. So we'll have a lot of access for that. So we've made extensive videos about the content to help your child along the way. And there will be, as we go, things like laboratory work that they will click on, and there are tips and things like that to help them through. I think that we have a lot of great resources available. There's a lot of fun things that we're going to do throughout the year, and I think they're going to have a really great time learning biology. For this course will be 50% lab work, 30% tests and quizzes, and 20% assignments. Academic integrity is essential. It is very important that your child learns good habits now so that when they go off to college, they avoid some of the serious consequences that are associated with cheating or plagiarism. I encourage your child to be their own advocate and to reach out to me with any questions or concerns. I'm always an email away, and office hours are a great opportunity to get some one-on-one attention. Many parents have questions about the AP exam. The AP exam will be offered on May 14th of this year. We will provide many resources to help students learn the content. We'll be practicing with AP exam questions throughout the year. All quizzes and tests will include questions from previous AP exams. We will also offer review sessions in the spring to help students review the content closer to the exams. Another resource that's available this year is the AP Classroom website, and I'm going to show that to you now. The AP Classroom is a new resource that is provided by the College Board, and it is a great tool to help your child practice for the AP exam or for just quizzes and tests and assessments that we have in this course. So students will enroll in the course, and when they log into AP Classroom, they will see this icon here, and then they can go to their specific classroom for their course. Once they are there, students will have available to them daily videos which review the content for each of the concepts in the unit. There are also topic questions, which are practice multiple choice questions. that can help students gain some skills and experience before test time. At the end of the unit, we can make personal progress checks available to the students, and that will allow students to have practice with multiple choice and free response questions so that they can work on their timing as well as their application and science skills. I know this school year is a little different, but I'm going to work really hard to make your child successful and have a really fun year. Know that myself and Mrs. Shoup, my fellow AP Biology teacher, are working really hard to make sure that your child has a successful year. If you ever have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to me. It's going to be a great year, and I'm really excited about teaching your children.